Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree. So, for today's video, we are talking about the February Sephora Playbox. So, this is what the bag looks like for this month. The theme is Feel the Love. And this is what the little booklet looks like this time. It's got a bunch of encouraging words like "You are my beauty guru," "You know what is an essence is, and that's why we're friends. You know what an essence is, and that's why we're friends." Okay, I don't know what an essence is, so I guess we're not friends. But anywho'ser, on the other side, this is what I got in my box. And as you can see, my 50-point perk. So if you don't know, Sephora is a monthly subscription that charges $10 every single month, and you get sample deluxe sizes every month. So let's get on into what's inside my bag. So the first thing I have is this Lancome. This is an eyeliner in Côte d'Azur, and it is basically a cobalt blue. It's a beautiful shade. It's a really nice eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now on my lids, obviously, and it's a really good eyeliner. Once it dries down, there is nothing getting this sucker off. It stays put, and when you glide it on the eyes, it's very smooth, and it evenly coats. As you can see, I did a wing with it. It's a really good eyeliner, especially because it's in pencil form. So it's really good, and once it dries down, this thing is not budging. And I know because I've already swatched this, and no matter how many times I wash my hands, it just would not go off. So this is a really good eyeliner. I really like it. So let's go on to the next one. The next thing in my bag is this Sephora Ulta Lip Shine Gel in Zero Perfect Nude. And this is just a sheer nude pink gloss. When you put on your lips, it doesn't make your lips stick together. It's actually pretty nice, but I don't like it because it's really hard to get off. See, when you put on your lips and you glide your lips, back and forth, your lips don't stick together like it's really goopy. But when you try to remove it, it's almost like those MAC lip glosses. I think they're the lip glass. It's just like those. Once you try getting it off your lips, it becomes like World War III. It's just very, very hard to get off your lips. In my box is this Makeup Forever. This is the Artiste Rouge lipstick in M500. This is a bold wine shade. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is what it looks like in the tube. Very beautiful lip color. I really like this. To me, it's a nice matte type of shade. It glides on really good, and it's really even. Just one swipe and you have an even lip color. And I know sometimes some bold colors you'll get patchiness, and you don't get that with this lipstick. Next thing I have is the First Aid Beauty. This is the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. This does dry down, but you do have to wash your face afterwards. This has antioxidant with ginger and turmeric, and it just revives the skin, and it just makes your skin a lot brighter. It also gives your skin hydration, and it also makes your skin supple, which means more youthful. It makes your skin really nice. And you can use this 3 times a week, and it dries down in 10 minutes. It does dry down, but you still have to wash it off. Like when you first apply it, it's a jelly formula. See, it's just jelly. And it does smell a lot like ginger. Nothing that's gonna like stain your lips or sting your nose. It's just a very subtle ginger smell. And once it dries down, you can wash that off. The next thing I have here is my Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel Exfoliant. And basically what you do with this is you apply this to the skin, and I'm gonna show you. I've already tried this. This stuff works really amazing. It comes out like this, and you massage this into the skin, and then as you massage, it does this really weird thing where you instantly see dead skin cells be removed from the face or wherever. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to keep going so you can see. And it just rolls. You instantly see it rolling, and you just continue doing this, and it just peels dead skin away. And it also has pineapple, pomegranate enzymes, and that just helps unclog pores as well as removing dead skin cells. So as you can see, it just rolls, and then it just lifts away, and then you could just sweep it all off. So this is my dead skin cells that you're seeing. I know, super gross. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. So the next thing I have is this Tory Burch Love Relentlessly fragrance. This is what it looks like. It's just this little, this is what they consider the deluxe sample that you get in every box. You basically get a deluxe perfume in every single box, and this is what I got this month. I don't like this scent. I don't like it at all. So let me just tell you what it has. The top notes are pink pepper. The middle notes are rose and orris. I don't know what that is. The base notes are sandalwood, which I typically do like sandalwood, and the fragrance family for this is floral. So I typically do love a good floral scent. I love rose smells, or just something that's floral. It's, you know, I do love. But this scent, I don't know why, but there's just something about this scent that I really don't like. And to me, it just, I'm just not vibing with this scent, and it's just no bueno. So just some final thoughts on this box. There were at least 2 items out of this box that I did not like. I got a total of 6 products. That means 2 out of 6 I did not like, and 4 out of 6 I did like. The 2 that I didn't enjoy were the lip gloss. That just was not something I liked, and the perfume, definitely something I don't enjoy. The rest I did enjoy. I really did enjoy that Peter Thomas Roth mask. I honestly enjoyed that jelly mask. This lip color here, this matte lip color, this is something I would use, you know, on a daily basis. I really did enjoy this blue eyeliner. It's a nice step away from the usual black that I use. Just a nice, how do you say, like, just something that's just something different for a change, and I really do enjoy that. Now I have an issue with this box. Once again, my box came to me super late, and this is not the first time. This is starting to become a thing where my box becomes super late, and I'm just kind of done with that. I feel like if you're gonna take my money in a timely manner, then I want my box in a timely manner. It's just how I feel about the Sephora Play boxes, and I hope it wasn't too negative. I really did enjoy this box. It's just that it's just something that continues to happen, and I just don't like to repeat myself. So with that said, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below, do you have any issues with this box as well? Am I the only one? Is there something better out there? I don't know, but please let me know, and thank you for watching. Bye.